Here's a complete YouTube video script for your request. Clapperboard YouTube script, 2026 Honda 4X4 Jeep Review. Intro. Movie camera upbeat background music, drone shot of the 2026 Honda 4X4 Jeep on a rugged trail. Bust in silhouette host. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Honda 4X4 Jeep, Honda's bold move into the off-road SUV and Jeep style market. We'll check out the exterior, interior, performance, and of course give you our final thoughts. So, let's get started. Exterior. Movie camera close-up shots of the exterior, grille, headlights, wheels, body lines. Bust in silhouette host. The 2026 Honda 4X4 Jeep has a rugged and adventurous design that immediately sets it apart from Honda's traditional SUV lineup. Up front, you get a bold boxy grille with Honda's signature chrome finish, flanked by full LED matrix headlights for maximum visibility on trails and highways. The muscular wheel arches house 20-inch all-terrain tires, giving it that off-road stance. Skid plates, roof rails, and a raised ground clearance of about 10.5 inches make it ready for any adventure. From the side, you'll notice strong body lines and a squared profile, clearly inspired by classic Jeep styling but with Honda's modern twist. And at the back, you get LED tail lamps and a full-size spare tire mounted on the tailgate, completing that rugged 4X4 look. Interior. Movie camera pans across the cabin, dashboard, seats, tech features. Bust in silhouette host. Inside, Honda combines comfort with durability. The 2026 Honda 4X4 Jeep features a dual-tone leather interior with contrast stitching. Seats are well bolstered for both long highway drives and rough off-road rides. The digital 12-inch driver display and a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen dominate the dashboard, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Honda's latest voice command system. For adventurers, the cabin comes with washable floor mats, extra storage compartments, and even removable roof panels for that open-air Jeep experience. Passengers in the rear get plenty of legroom, and cargo space is impressive, expandable with fold-flat seats, perfect for camping gear, sports equipment, or road trips. Performance. Movie camera clips of the Jeep driving through dirt trails, mud, and city streets. Bust in silhouette host. Now let's talk about performance, the heart of any 4X4 vehicle. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda 4X4 Jeep comes with two engine options, a 2.0L turbocharged inline-4 producing around 280 horsepower, and a 3.5L V6 hybrid pushing up to 350 horsepower with improved fuel efficiency. Both engines are paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and Honda's advanced IVTM4 all-wheel drive system, giving it excellent traction across sand, mud, snow, and rocks. It also features multiple terrain drive modes: normal, snow, sand, rock, and trail. The suspension system is reinforced with adaptive dampers, offering both comfort on highways and toughness off-road. Towing capacity is rated at around 6,000 pounds, making it a capable partner for trailers, boats, or campers. Conclusion. Movie camera Jeep parked by a scenic mountain view, sunset background. Bust in silhouette host. So, the 2026 Honda 4X4 Jeep is Honda's answer to off-road enthusiasts who want a mix of rugged performance, modern technology, and everyday comfort. It's built to compete directly with vehicles like the Jeep Wrangler and Ford Bronco, but with Honda's reliability and efficiency as a bonus. If you're an adventurer who also wants a dependable daily driver, this could be the perfect choice. What do you think of Honda stepping into the 4x4 Jeep game? Would you choose this over a Wrangler or Bronco? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Would you like me to also create 5 YouTube video title ideas plus description with hashtags for this 2026 Honda 4x4 Jeep review to go along with the script?